Tadviddhi pranipatena pritprasnena seva. Learn from the real person, Tattvadarshina, who has seen, has actual experience of the truth. Learn from him. Gita never recommends that you imagine and make your theories. Never said. That is Vedic culture. Tad vijnanatham sa gurumeva avigachet. Tasmad gurum prapaddeta jigyasu shreya uttamam. This is the way. Take lesson from Krishna, or Krishna's representative, then you get it. This is Krishna consciousness. What is the use of imagining?